What's up guys, it's Austin, and today I'm going to be trying to get my Lexus to start. So in the last video about my Lexus, I said it didn't start, and it doesn't. And I think it's a spark issue. It's getting fuel, it's getting air, so it needs spark. So I'm going to start out simple, replace the plugs, see how that goes, but here's what it's doing now. So I think it's a spark issue. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start changing them and then go from there, because I want to have this at least running today. When I pulled it off the trailer and I parked it here, it was running, and now it doesn't. So I'd love to have it running again, because so far I've downgraded from a running car, I bought a running car, to I bought a sitting car. So let's get started. So here's what we're looking at. Under each ignition coil there is a plug. So I've got to unscrew each coil, I've got to take the wire off, and I've got to change them. So it's not that difficult. I've just never done it before. So it's going to be a learning experience for everybody. Alright, so I have gotten 4 of the 6 coils and plugs out. The other 2, there's screws holding in the coils, and 2 of the screws have stripped. So I need to figure out how to get those out. But this is what the plugs look like. I'd say they needed to be changed. So hopefully this fixes it. I'm planning on doing the coils at some point, but not right now. So I'll figure out how to get the 2 screws out and then go from there. I just got all the spark plugs in, and like I said, this video is about me trying to get it started. So hopefully changing the spark plugs, I mean, they are rusted, they're corroded, they are overused. So hopefully this will get it started. And now I'm gonna put all the ignition coils back on and crank her up. Hopefully we'll get her started. Alright, so I just got all the coils replaced. I just got the wiring harness put back in. Everything's good. So theoretically, hopefully this will cut on now. So I'm gonna get in, I'm gonna crank it up, and we'll see. Alright guys, so as y'all can see, it worked. I got it running. All it needed was a new set of plugs. It turns out, when plugs look like that, you gotta change them. But as always, if y'all like the video, please consider subscribing. It enables me to keep doing what I'm doing, and as always, thanks for watching.